Madam, I beg, pay me my money.
Okay, I don't have the money.
Eh?
That's what I've been trying to explain.
No, I don't want them, I beg. Pay me my money, I beg. What's happen? Pay me my money, I need my money.
I don't have it now.
What thing can happen? Why you not get them?
I said, the bag that had the money inside was stolen at the car park. I don't know how. I was careless.
As you grow like this, you don't declare. You don't dey mad me. You dey crazy. But pay me my money, I beg. No, they tell me that thing, I beg.
Oga, I swear. I really swear. This was just an honest mistake.
I no agree. Honest mistake, how? Pay me my money.
Oh yeah, wait.
I beg. Let it be that.
See. Take.
Let it be this one. Waiting this one coming.
So that you will write your number now. And when I have the money, I'll call you and I'll give you your
money.
Pay
me my money. They tell me say, well, you write my number. Which kind of thing be that? I know how much before.
Why are you shouting?
I beg, pay me my money, I beg.
Hey.
Say don't decrease me. Pay me my money, I beg.
Please. Do not insult me. Don't try it. Because I hate it when people insult me.
For my own money? Say one more cookie you here now.
I said stop insulting me.
Auntie, pay me my money, I beg. Pay me my money.
Okay. Come and take that money.
You know they come out here. You know they come out here.
What is going on?
I carry this woman come here, make she pay me my money. She dey speak English for me. Say see this idiot. I dey tell her make she pay me my money. She dey speak English for me.
It is you and your entire generation until the 5th one that are the idiots.
For my own money?
Yes. Idiot.
I go do you something here. You dey use me joke.
That's not a proper way to talk to someone you are owing. You should be pleading, not insulting them.
Who is this one? I knew it. Men supporting men. Abi? But I don't expect anything less from a classless he-goat like you.
Hey, see. I don't blame you. at all. I blame myself for involving.
Exactly. You should have kept your stupid mouth shut instead of jumping into a conversation you weren't invited to. Parrots.
Now you be parrots. See, there's no need going back and forth with a fake girl who can afford to pay a fee.
You and your entire generation are the fake ones.
Ogami, make you collect your money.
Fast! I don't know what she they talk.
Just look at this here, man. Be supporting now. Be supporting. When you don't understand the situation, you're a mannerless fool. He-goat. That is what you are.
Well, if you touch this bag, I go change her for you to God.
Yes, you be.
Yes.
Hey, they're ganging up against me.
Who no go gang?
You people are ganging up against me.
Madam, no try.
You are a mannerless goat.
I agree.
I
agree. Pay me my money.
Elephant.
Leave him.
Monkey.
Leave him. I agree.
Cockroach.
If you know they
better leave my box.
I go wound you.
Oga, leave my box.
What? See.
Oga, leave my box. Give me my box.
Stop it.
Oga, give me.
I go change that for you now because I be woman. I never beat you.
So you won't beat me?
Yes, I go.
Oga, beat me. Oga, beat me. No, beat me. Why you resist my box? Oga, beat me now. Beat me. Say you won't beat me. You won't beat me.
I go change
that. Give me my.
Fake life everywhere.
What's up? Bro, what happened?
It's one girl like that. In the form saying get money. Imagine.
She's forming, but she doesn't have money.
She doesn't have money.
See, bro, let's not let that ruin the business. You know business is always bad when you're in a bad mood.
Right, I mean, what's my business with that one?
Exactly. You might never even see her again. Yeah, so did you buy everything we need?
Yeah, I did.
Did you buy the black leather?
Oh, I knew I was forgetting something.
You didn't buy it. And we need it. It's for this particular shoe.
No, I don't have the strength to go back.
Let me just go. Let me buy it. I'll be back in a minute. Just give me the money. Thank you. Okay. I'll be back very soon. Help me finish this now.
Okay, I will.
Give me my money. What did they worry you?
Just imagine.
Give me my money.
What embarrassment is this?
No embarrassment.
Oga, this is not funny.
Give me my money.
Let me go.
For waiting.
Oga, leave me.
Give me my money.
Leave me.
Give me my money. They tell me say this thing. Give me my money.
How many times do you want me to tell you I don't have your money?
You don't have.
I don't have it. Just give me your number and I will send you your money.
I know they give you anything. I Auntie, give me my money.
What be this?
Give me my money. What be that? Give me my money.
Oga, leave me.
Now because say be woman, I never naked you here.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay. Help!
What did they do?
Help!
What did they do?
Help!
Help!
This man wants
Give
to
me my
rape
money.
me, oh!
Rape you, wait.
Rape!
Give me my money.
Rape!
Give me.
What's happening? If I
He
look.
wants to rape me, oh! He wants to rape me.
Why are you
See?
doing that? Sorry, ma. Sorry. Sorry.
Thank you. Can you imagine? Just because I cannot pay this man some money, oh, he has been dragging me everywhere.
Why now? Why would you be doing that kind of thing? She's a lady, for goodness sake.
She they owe me money. Waiting be she's a lady. Make she pay me my money.
Ma, what exactly happened?
What be that? Pay me my money, I beg.
I misplaced my bag. The bag that I had money inside, I misplaced it. And I can't get any money to pay him. But I told him to give me his number. I will send him the money.
Why now? You should have given him your number.
Oh, he don't turn to misplace. He put money inside bag. You forget him. Pay me my money, I beg.
See, my
Pay
love,
me my money, I beg.
please,
Which kind?
do you have any money that I can just use to pay him? I promise I'll give you
How
back.
much is the money?
Ordinary 10,000. 10,000. Can you imagine?
Oh, 10,000 don't be ordinary. 10,000 don't be ordinary.
Please stop
You know how
that.
much before?
I want to use it for something else.
Hey, but just help me now. Help me, please. Please. Look, he kept me here since so. He has been embarrassing me, dragging me, pulling my hair, everything.
He pulled your hair?
Yes.
I pull your
That's
hair.
so uncouth.
I pull your hair. Now you still dey normal like this.
Wait.
Waiting.
Calm
What
down.
do you want to?
Hey.
Thank you. God will bless you. God will bless you so much.
Yeah.
You are so nice.
You know,
Oh.
even get money,
10,000,
they-
right?
they say,
Yes.
you know, even
This is
get
the money. Oga, take your money.
Give me,
Stop
Jare.
embarrassing someone.
No go. Ma check whether I
Nothing be
complete.
no go.
Please give me the box.
Wait,
Stop,
wait,
stop,
ma.
wait.
Wait.
I've given you your
Ma
money.
check whether.
Stop.
Wait, ma check whether na 8-5.
Have you seen? Have you seen?
Okay, complete.
Mannerless
He
he
complete.
goes.
You get luck. Carry this your empty bag. Come on here. Come on here, I
Like
beg.
you are supposed to be punished, flogged.
Punish,
see, look
flog.
at the
Yes,
man.
yes, I
Yes.
agree. I agree. I get children for us.
Thank you. Mannerless he goes.
It is okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. But I have a problem.
What?
That money that I gave him to go is the money I'm supposed to use to buy something for my brother. And it's very important. So you know what? I'll just follow you to your house. Then you give me back the money, I'll go. Okay? Ma, is there any problem?
The thing is, I'm homeless.
What?
Yes.
Ma. Oh, you can sit.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much for agreeing to take me to your house.
It's nothing. You're welcome.
How about your parents? Won't they be worried? I mean, I'm basically a stranger.
My parents are dead. It's just my brother and I.
Oh, so sorry to
No,
hear
it's
that.
not a problem. I mean, it's been a long time. But my brother is the nicest person on earth.
Really?
So I'm sure he'll be happy to help you.
Wow.
And I can't wait for you.
You,
You?
You two know each other.
darling, what's this mannerless fake life doing here?
Oh, don't say that.
She was stranded. I had to help her.
I asked you to buy something for me and you bring this thing here.
Hey, please, please. Can you not insult me? I do not do well with insults.
I don't have anything to say to you. Dalu, take this thing wherever you picked it from and buy what I asked you to buy for me.
About that, I used it to pay for her cab.
You did what?
She needed help and the driver was embarrassing her.
And you used my money.
Please. It's not her fault. It's mine.
Yes, it's your fault. See, I don't know how you're going to do this. All I know is I want my money now.
I don't have any money on me right now.
Can you hear yourself? Just like I said, I don't care and I don't want to know. All I need is my money.
Okay. Can I work for you? I mean, what do you do here? I can help with something until I'm able to repay my debts. Please.
I am not hiring. And I absolutely don't want to hire a psychopath like you.
Bro, stop it.
Don't bro me, Dalu.
Okay. Please. Please help me. Please. I promise I will work diligently. I will do everything to repay my debts. Please.
I never knew you could beg like this.
Look, I will even stay in your house, okay? So that you don't think I would run with your money. Just help me, please.
Welcome. Please come in, come in. Sit.
Thank you.
So, if you don't mind, we'll be staying in the same room because we only have 2 rooms in this house.
Oh, that's totally fine.
Okay.
I'm so sorry for crashing your personal space.
No, I'm very happy. I'm always bored with my brother alone in this house.
Oh.
Now I have someone I can gist with every time.
Yes, you do. And thank you for putting in a good word for me.
It's nothing.
Because
Dalu.
Yeah, because Dalu. If not for you, I don't know where I would have been. Maybe on the streets or God knows where.
You're welcome. So let me quickly tidy up the room.
Okay.
So I can take you in.
Okay.
And if you want to have your bath, just tell me. I'll show you.
Okay. But where is the bathroom?
It's outside. That's why I said I'll show you when you're ready.
Outside.
Yes.
The bathroom is outside.
I know you're not used to that, but that's how we do things around here. Sorry.
Oh, that's fine.
Okay, let me tidy up the room.
Thank you.
Amen. Let's see.
There's no protein in the food.
By protein, you mean meat?
Uh-huh.
Oh no, see, meat is very expensive here, so we don't eat with meat.
You people eat without meat? My God, that's completely unhealthy.
Then don't eat. It's not compulsory.
I didn't mean it that way.
Yes, you did. You were given food. The best you could do is to say thank you.
I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself.
Bro. But where are you going?
Dad, sorry. I'm sorry, okay? No, believe me. I promise I didn't mean it that way. It's just...
It's not your fault. I understand. I know that where you come from, you always eat with chicken, turkey, meat. I know.
Right.
Just manage this one, please.
D,
My handsome brother, how are you?
I beg, leave me. I'm not happy with you. I'm
Oh,
not happy
what
with you.
happened?
I'm not happy with you.
Why?
It's because of you that fake girl is in this house.
She doesn't have anywhere to go. I've told you before. Plus, she's been through a lot. Her parents died and her uncles chased her out of the house.
And how did you know all this?
She told me. I couldn't just ignore her. I had to help.
Well, obviously, whatever she went through didn't teach her manners.
Bro, don't say that. Don't say that. She already promised to pay you back. She'll work for you until the money is complete. And look at it from a brighter side. We need an extra hand in the shop. So if she helps us, it makes work easier, right?
Well, I don't think so.
Come on.
D. You're stressing me.
You're stressing me too. Do you realize that?
I knew it. Oh my god. I knew it. Oh my god. Bookworm!
What do you think you're doing?
I'm just watching a program. Do you see? Do you see what's going on there? Look.
Is that my chinchi and fura?
Oh. I saw it in the kitchen and I really like midnight snacking.
Do I look like I care what you love or not? Stay away from my stuff. And keep the volume down. People are actually sleeping.
Stay away from my stuff and keep the volume down. People are actually sleeping. Yeah.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
That's really bad.
Hey, it was.
Bro, how are you?
Good morning, Eche.
How have you been? Sorry.
Zina, why are you late?
Late? I'm not sure of when you started timing us.
Zina, I don't want to come to work before you ever again. Is that clear?
Yes.
Hey, take these shoes and polish them.
Oh. Yes.
Let me help you.
D,
What?
take that back to Alaji Sani. He will give you 3,000 naira.
Just clean this part of the shoe. I'm coming up. I'll see you later.
Sorry.
What is it, Zina?
Okay, well, I don't know how to polish a shoe. Actually, I have never polished a shoe in my life before.
You don't know how to polish a shoe? Zina, when will you stop?
What?
Yesterday you took an Uber, you couldn't pay, and now you don't know how to polish a shoe. What do you gain by forming someone you are not?
I am not forming. I just do not know how to polish a shoe.
Then figure it out.
Eche.
What? Zina! Zina! Zina!
Yes.
What is this?
Oh. The shoe you asked me to polish. I did a great job, right?
A great job.
Yes.
Is this how shoes are polished in your village?
Well, I'm not sure how shoes are polished in my village, but I think I did a really great job.
That was a rhetorical question.
Oh, sorry.
Do it again.
What?
I said do it again.
I expect me to do here again? What? What else should I do to this shoe?
I'm back.
Thank God you're back. Look, see, just come and look at it. Look, did I not polish this shoe right? Why are you laughing?
Sorry, did you polish the shoe? Did you polish the shoe? Tell me the truth.
Yes, now.
You polished the shoe. Okay.
Oh, what's funny now?
Calm down.
Why
You
are you
didn't get
laughing?
it right. You didn't get it right. Let me drop this one.
Really?
Let me show you how to polish a shoe. This looks dirty, very dirty. First of all, pick up your polish. And then make sure you clean it properly. Focus on the places with dust. See here. There's dust here. There's dust here. There's dust here. Run back. So I got the food. What is your own?
Thank you.
Spoon.
I will use small.
Okay. Today she has spoon, so I have to give me.
Okay.
Auntie Zina, take your food. And spoon too. What is this? It's lunch. Our lunch.
Lunch?
Yes.
Wait. Is this rice?
Yes, it's rice.
Why is it in a cellophane?
That's how they sell it around here.
Really?
Yes.
Ha. No. I can't eat it.
Why?
No, because it's totally unhealthy. I can't. They should have just put it in a plate or something. They have those foil papers or something.
It's like the town that you're used to. This place, they don't have foil, they don't have plates. It's just...
Just cellophane?
Yes.
Oh.
We don't have any plates unless you go home, eat, then come back.
I won't eat it.
If you don't want to eat, give it to someone that wants to eat. What is this?
See, just try, eat it. Let me tell you, this man's rice is the best around here. Yes, around this area. Her rice, is the best. So you just shake it so that the rice will mix with the stew. Try now.
I really can't eat rice from cellophane. How does that make sense?
We're eating the rice, just the rice. We'll throw the nylon away when we're done.
You just pour it in a plate.
She doesn't have a plate. I'm done, bro. I'm going now.
Okay.
See you later. And see ya, let's go.
She's not done with her work.
What else am I doing? I'm done.
Clean them.
What? Bro, these shoes have been here for like ages. Nobody needs them.
You can go.
I want to go with Auntie Zina.
These shoes are really, really dirty. And I will not touch them. At all. I will not touch them.
That means you have the money to pay me back, right? I'm asking you a question.
Fine. I'll clean them.
Let me
Not
help
as
you.
much.
Let me help you.
You can go. These shoes needs to be neat. Or she can't go.
But
No buts, D. If you want to be helpful, go home and do something.
Bro, you know you stressed Auntie Zina out today, right? Because of that, I had to give her a full body massage before she could even take a nap.
Really?
Yes, look, she's a nice person. Give her a chance and take it easy on her. Please.
She wanted to pay her debts, and I'm just making sure of that.
Oh, you're stressing her too much. It's not fair.
Wait, Dee. Are you her keeper or what?
I'm her friend. I'm just trying to look out for her.
Well, just like I said, she wants to pay back her debt, and I'm looking out for that.
Bro, at least give her...
Dee. Shady City had watch TV. You are stressing me. If you don't mind, please go back to your room and allow me concentrate, I beg.
Bro, good morning.
Where is Zina?
Oh, she's sleeping. I didn't want to wake her up. She seems stressed.
It's 10 a.m. and she's sleeping.
I told you. She seems stressed. You know what she did yesterday? Please, let's just let her sleep. She'll come later. I promise.
I'm coming. Look after the shop.
Where are you going?
Look after the shop and I'm coming.
Bro, don't tell me you're going to the house. Come. Oh, God.
Hell! Eche, you? Good morning, Eche. Very sure this is not a right way to wake a person up. You have to be more gentle.
Oh, really?
Yes, really. Besides, I still want to sleep. We can discuss later.
What did I tell you about going to work early?
Eche, please. I'm tired, okay? My body needs to rest. I can't go to work today. Eche!
Oh, I see you have my money now. Why don't you give it to me?
Goodness.
Zina, I give you 10 minutes to be at the shop.
Welcome. You're here.
Yeah. You know, a certain someone couldn't let me sleep last night.
Zina,
What?
go to the market down the street and get me pink trade.
Market?
I didn't have water in my mouth when I said it, did I?
No, it's just... I've never been to the market before.
Can you just stop it? No one actually cares about all these lies. Just get me the pink thread.
You know what? Let me follow her to the market.
Yes, please.
No, I get it.
Okay, fine. So, where is this market again?
Okay, the market is just down there. You take a left. It's a very big market, so please be careful. And
She's not a child. D. She's an adult. And what are you still doing here? Go get me the pink thread.
Fine.
I want to live. I don't just wanna exist. I wanna be free.
Why did you do that? Bro,
What is it, D?
she's not back. It's been hours.
She's not a child. She's an adult.
But she said she has never been to the market before.
And do you believe that?
Of course.
See, that girl is nothing but a liar.
Stop. And even if she's a liar, it's just thread. She should be back by now.
Who knows? Maybe she's in someone's house taking pictures.
I'm serious.
And I'm also serious, D. But you're disturbing me. See,
Yeah.
what are you doing? Are you done with your work?
Not yet. I'm almost done.
What are you waiting for?
I'll finish it. I'm just worried about Miss Zina. What if something happened to her?
Like I said, she's not a child. She's an adult.
Stop saying that. If you're in her shoes, you also be late.
D, you are disturbing me. Get to work.
You shouldn't have sent her. I would have gone instead.
If I knew something like this would happen, I wouldn't have sent her.
But didn't I warn you? I told you something like this could
Calm
happen.
down, D.
Tell me to calm down.
We'll go look for her.
Thank you.
Well,
Bye.
Auntie Zina, welcome.
I'm tired.
What happened?
You know, that market is actually very big. Oh. Very, very big. I got lost. And when I finally walked out of that market, I found it difficult locating this place. Yes. Today was really terrible. If not for that woman, I don't know what I would have become. I just don't know.
Nothing would have happened. Thank God you're not hot. Thank God.
Where is the thread?
Oh, okay.
Here.
Pack up this place and lock and leave him.
Wait. Me?
Who else?
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, can't you see I'm tired?
You heard me.
Me that have been walking since he's telling me to park here. I'm tired.
You heard me.
What?
Stop now.
I'm tired.
It's okay. I will help you. In fact, I'll do the packing.
Tell your brother. It's very mean.
Sorry.
Very wicked.
It's okay.
I know he wished I never returned. Right?
Actually, he was worried.
That one. Worry.
I'm serious. He was worried. It was when he came in his switch. I don't know why.
That's not possible, Joy. It's very wicked.
I'm telling you. He was worried.
My whole body is just hurting.
Sorry.
I
You know
kept.
what? Today, when we get home, I'll give you a full body massage.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah, fine.
I promise. Let me
Okay.
pack quickly. So that we can go.
Hey, D.
Yes.
Where are you going with all of those?
Oh, I'm going outside to wash my clothes.
Wash your clothes.
Yes.
You wash your clothes with that?
Of course. Yeah. What else am I going to use?
I mean, there are washing machines and stuff, you know.
Machines. We can't afford them. So I just do it with the bucket and soap.
Okay. In that case, I want you to teach me how to do that.
Teach you? You've never washed your clothes before?
Does it sound weird?
Wait, no. Are you serious right now?
Yeah. Never done it before. So will you teach me?
Okay. Of course. Let's go outside so that I can teach you. How about that?
Zina! Zina! Who did you leave your dirty plates for?
Was I supposed to wash them?
No, I'm supposed to wash them. Zina, by the time I get back in there, you haven't washed those plates. You'll be in trouble. Madam, I haven't done it before.
Your brother has a temper. A bad one. Yes. Let me just go and do what he says.
Okay.
Before he comes out screaming again. Ouch! Yum.
Sorry. So you have to get exactly.
So, like a pen,
Right? Oh no, wait. So you don't tear the material. Don't. Yeah, don't be too much. Just, I think you're getting it right. Yeah, but you're still holding it. No. Let me show you something. Just this.
Oh.
You don't need to press it down. Okay. Let's go. Yeah. Yay! You're getting it right. Perfect. Okay. Now you have to be cautious of this.
Okay.
So it's easier when you're cutting it. Yeah. Wow. You're doing like a pro. Go on.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah. That's so perfect. So you see, you got it.
Wow.
That's great.
I did it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm happy.
Are you that happy?
Yes.
All right. So we have to try on the main material,
Okay.
and this time you have to be extra careful.
Mhm.
You don't need these patches and stuff.
Okay.
You just do here. That's it. Just this place.
Yeah. Okay.
Remember, just don't press it down. Yeah. Stop. Okay. This other side. Ooh, stop there.
Zina, are you done with everything I asked you to do?
Yes, I am.
And finally, she learned how to do this. Perfect, right?
There are lots of work to do. You two should get busy and stop playing around.
Would it hurt you to actually appreciate my work? Tell me. Do you have any idea how much work I put into this? Do you? I expected you to at least commend me. This is the first time ever in my life that I did something myself.
So? Bro, don't bro me. You trust the soul right, and so what? What do you expect me to do? To kill a cow for you?
A simple well done would have done it. Why?
Wow, this is really nice. You've done a wonderful job, and I'll introduce you to my friends and family. This is way more than I can imagine.
Thank you so much, man. I'm glad you like it.
Thank you. I'll tell my friends and family.
Thank you, man.
You're welcome.
Ma, my balance is supposed to be 2,000. This is 4,000.
Yes, I added this up for you just to tell you well done.
Thank you so much,
I
ma.
appreciate your job. I love your job.
Thank you
And
so
I
much.
hope that when I bring my friends and family, you do just what you're supposed to do.
I sure
Very
will, ma.
wonderful job.
I sure will. Thank you so much, ma. Oh, bless you.
Thank you too.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Please.
the owner of the shoe you walked on loved it and he tipped you.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. But you should keep the money. Yes. I mean, I'm still owing you, right?
Just take it.
Thank you.
Good job.
Thank you.
Welcome. Welcome. Where is it? Where is it? Where?
Here. Please. Come and have a seat.
I thought you said there was a snake in the living room.
There's no snake in the living room. I just did that to bring you out. Auntie Zina bought meat for us to eat, so please come and eat.
You two can eat.
Hey. Eche. This is the first time in my life to earn money. And I just really want to do something nice for you and Dalu. So please. I know this is small, but it would mean a lot to me if we can just eat together. Please?
Alright, come, let's go and eat meat.
Yeah?
Okay, fine. Just one.
Any quantity, just one, yes.
Yeah, one. That's
any
fine.
amount. Just come and sit down. So, try it.
It's actually nice.
I told you.
Dalu, you try. Good. So...
It's full in my mouth.
Yeah? Bro, I thought you said you just take one and leave. So why are you saying it's really nice?
Well?
Well, what? Ma, why don't you want to eat?
I'm just enjoying watching you guys.
No, don't.
How is your hand?
Oh, it's fine. Dalu helped me put eyes on it.
That's good. Thank you for the meat.
Yeah. I've always wanted to do something nice for you and Dalu. Something nice.
Yeah, you did. I can't remember the last time we ate meat. And I don't know the next time we're going to eat it again.
Maybe when you make more money. You know, I love the bond that you two share. It reminds me of something I wish I had. A family.
I'm sorry about your parent. I heard they died.
Well, we were not quite a family. I mean, it's not like the bond you and Dalu share.
How was it like growing up?
It was terrible.
Well, you're here now. And we'll make sure we erase all those bad memories and fix you a new one.
You know, I'm really sorry for being mean to you that day. That wasn't me. I was just having a really, really terrible day.
It's fine. Can I say something?
Yeah.
You don't have to pretend to be someone you're not. People will love you regardless.
Can I say something too?
Sure.
I am not pretending to be someone I'm
You
not.
don't have to say anything. Just think about it.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
You know, I'm really sorry for the way I've been treating you all this while.
Okay. So a fresh start?
Sure.
Bro.
You scared me.
I know.
What are you doing in my room?
Well, I see you and Auntie Zina have buried the hatchet. Have you?
Is that why you are in my room?
I guess no. I just came to say hi. And go.
Okay, say hi and then leave.
Are you chasing me out of your room? Really?
How can I chase my one and only sister out of my room?
Exactly. Now,
I can never.
pillow fight? Pillow
I'm
fight.
tired. I'm tired.
Pillow fight? Hey! Look, don't hit me. Don't hit me hard. Don't hit me hard.
Stop. So you apply this here. Then after you let me just do this.
Okay.
Just like this. Do you want to try?
Sure.
Okay.
Good job. That was good. So you apply bond on any shoes that needs bond. Okay?
Okay.
Go on. If you have any difficulties, just let me know.
Okay.
Wow. That was good.
I'm a pro.
You're doing so well. It's
Okay.
good. Just do this.
You are the music that my heart sings to. You are the reading. You are my reading.
Hey, you're still awake.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Just doing some calculation.
Calculation.
Yeah. School is resuming in 2 weeks and I'm planning to change this school to a new one.
Oh. Why is that?
She's going to public school.
Mm-hmm.
And they don't really teach him that well. So I'm planning to send her to a private school so she can prepare for her WAEC.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Yeah. But the problem is the money. The school is asking for a huge amount of money. So that's why I'm doing some calculation to see if I can meet up.
Oh. When is the deadline?
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah.
Wow. That's a lot of time.
Well, you think so, but before we know it, it's here.
Yeah. But don't worry. I believe the money will come.
How?
I don't know. I just believe it. More like faith. Yes. I have faith.
So faith is going to make the money fall from heaven.
I don't know. But I just know it will come. So, how much is the money?
It's 150,000 naira.
Oh, 150,000 naira.
Yeah.
Wow. Don't worry. I'm sure you'll be able to raise 150,000 naira for Dalo. A miracle will happen, maybe. I don't know. Just something.
Miracle again.
Just believe.
Okay, I believe. It's late. Why are you not sleeping?
I want to talk to you about something.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Then what is it about?
I overheard you and Auntie Zina talking about my school stuff. Bro, I can make my papers from that school. Okay, you don't need to change it. It's just 1 year and we're done.
Dee, I don't feel comfortable with that school anymore. I mean, you said it yourself. The teachers hardly go to class to teach.
Yeah, they hardly come to class to teach, but I can actually read. I can read and pass. I mean, there are other students who made their papers from that same school, right?
You're not going to that school again.
Bro, you don't have the money. You don't have the money to switch me to a private school. It's expensive.
Don't worry about the money. I know God will provide. But for now, it's late. Just go to bed.
But listen to what I have to say.
Just listen to me, Dee. And go to bed.
Good night.
Good night. Hey.
Hey.
Sorry. You're still awake?
Yeah.
I'm here to get a cup.
Oh. I came to get a cup as well. But you can have it.
You can have it. It's fine.
No, you can have it.
No, it's fine. I insist. You can have it.
Okay. What?
Ladies first.
Okay. And then she fell into the well. Oh my god. Oh god, that day was so funny. So funny. Hello. Hello.
Good afternoon. So, I'm from the government.
The government.
Yes.
So, the government is offering a grant for small business owners like you.
Wait, so you're trying to say I'm a small business owner?
I didn't say so. It's a sum of 200,000.
I hope this is not all those Ponzi schemes, because I'm not interested.
Who said anything about Ponzi schemes?
Let me have a look. This looks legit.
So you think I should sign?
Yeah, I think you should. Yeah.
Are you interested?
Yes.
Just sign there. Sign there. Here.
Are you done?
Yeah. Just.
Can I have my pen?
Here you go. This is a miracle. So sorry.
It's fine. I told you I would pray about it.
and it happened.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Wow.
So should we go tell Dalu?
I told you I'm going to catch up with this shoe. And I told you not to disappoint me. I said you not to disappoint me. What is happening, my dear?
Sir, I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. I totally forgot about your shoe. It's because I have other jobs.
Who did that with you? Give me my shoe, let me go, Jal.
Sir, just give me a few minutes. I'll fix it. Just a few minutes.
You have the last of the whole last week to do that, and you didn't. Give me my shoe, let me go, and I won't be coming here again.
Oh, God, never wish like that. Please.
Give me my shoe.
God, please.
What? Give me my shoe. Ah, you told me you replace it. But I thought you said you would not pay the shoe.
Now pull your legs, okay? I just a joke.
But I'm back, oh.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Where's Zina?
Oh, she said she has a headache, so she had to go back home.
Headache.
Yeah. But she says because of stress, so probably she'll be back very soon if she just rests. Maybe when she rests well, she'll come back.
Okay. By the way, Mr. David came earlier.
He did?
Yes.
Oh.
Were you the one that fixed his shoe?
No, I didn't even remember. Auntie Zina fixed it.
Really?
Is there any problem with it?
No. It's just that I don't remember fixing his shoe. I thought it was you.
Oh no. Auntie Zina did it, like I said.
We could have lost the customer if not for her.
Really? Huh. See what I told you? She's such a sweetheart. She's really helping us out here. She's really a sweetheart, right?
Yeah.
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 I even forgot to put this one well.
You go put her now. Hey. Hey.
Hey. You're back.
How are you? Dee said you were having a headache.
Oh, yeah. But I think I'm just stressed. I'm sure I'll be fine.
I got you this. It's fruit.
Wow. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for everything at the shop. It really means a lot to me.
No. It's nothing. Remember, I still have to pay off my debts.
About that, I have written it off.
Have you?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Thank you.
You're welcome. I will leave you now to rest. I'm going back to the shop.
Okay.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye. Dee, I'm leaving.
1 second, I'm coming.
What are you doing?
Yeah. Following you to the shop.
I told you to take some days off and rest.
Why? I told you I can walk. I'm fine.
You're not fine. Just rest a little bit.
Come on, Eche. I can manage. I want to do something.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Surprise!
Hey, baby. I've missed you so much. I'll be at the shop.
Baby. You don't miss me.
I do.
Who is that and what is she doing here?
You just got here. Just go in, rest and...
Oh, my baby! Come here. Hey, excuse me. What are you doing here?
What do you mean, what am I doing here? I'm here to see you and my boyfriend.
Oh, I forgot my brother has a girlfriend. Please, where's Auntie Zina?
The shop.
I'll be there.
See you soon.
Who is the Zina or whatever? Who is she?
Awoli, you just got here. Go in, freshen up, and rest. I'm going to the shop.
Babe, I just got here. You can't leave me here alone.
Awoli, you're not a stranger in this house. I'm sure you know your way around. I'll be at the shop.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay. I'm sure you met Auntie Angane.
Your brother's girlfriend.
Unfortunately.
Why unfortunately?
I hate her.
Why? I think you shouldn't use such words on people. It's harsh.
People. You refer to that demon as a person.
Why would you call her a demon?
That's what she is. Honestly, I don't even know what my brother sees in her.
Sees in who?
Nobody. I forgot. I have an important program to watch. So, I want to go home. But I'll come back later. Yes.
Are you not teaching me stitching again?
Oh no, I forgot. My brother can teach you. Bro, you can teach her, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
No. You can teach me tomorrow. I'll wait. It's fine.
But my brother is willing, and let me tell you, he's good. He taught me, so he's better than me.
I don't want to be a bother to your brother.
You're not bothering me. It's fine.
I said I'll wait. Tomorrow, when you come, you teach me.
Okay. I guess I'll see you both at home later.
Okay.
Okay.
Just help me finish this. Thank you.
I didn't even know when I slept off. I'll just go inside and continue my sleep. Hey, babe.
Hey.
Babe, see, there's something I need to tell you.
What is it?
See, I need some money. My house rent will be expiring by next month.
Babe, I paid for you to learn catering, didn't I?
What does that have to do with anything?
Everything. I expected you to use the money to take care of your basic needs.
So what are you saying?
All I'm saying is I don't have money.
What do you mean you don't have money? Your business is booming. So you want them to throw me out of the house?
That's not what I'm saying.
So what are you saying?
Fine. I'll think about it.
That's more like it. Look at me.
Don't tell me you're considering paying her rent. I mean, Auntie Amoni.
You should focus on yourself more, not me.
Don't you see what this lady's doing to you? She comes to this house anytime she needs something. Once you give it to her, she disappears. The next time you see her, she also needs something.
Dee, I am not discussing my relationship with you. You're still a child.
Yet I know you're being used.
See, I'm going to the shop. You can join me as soon as you can.
No.
Dalu, what's the meaning of that?
Do you have any idea that people actually work for money? Money doesn't just fall from heaven. Do you know?
And where is that coming from?
It's coming from the fact that you've never visited this house because you actually cared for my brother. You just come here, make a demand, and then expect my brother to just do it. You've been dating my brother for years now. You don't know where he works. You've never set your foot into his shop. You've never even visited him or tried to help. You just come here, make a demand, and expect my brother to give you the money that you need. Is that fair?
Now listen to me, Dalu. I am only going to ignore you because you are Eche's sister. The next time you try this nonsense with me, I'm not going to take it lightly with you. Now give me the remote.
In your wildest dreams.
Dalu! Dalu! Wow. Wow. I'll teach you something you will never in your life forget.
Why are you staring at me?
This is my shop.
Yeah. But why are you focused on me? We all have things to do in this shop.
You've been acting weird ever since Awule came.
Have I? Tell me about it.
You can't even look me in the eye.
Happy? Just stop staring at me before someone sees us and gets the wrong idea.
I should have told you about her. I'm sorry.
Don't apologize. Because it doesn't matter if you tell me about her or not. I don't care at all.
Are you sure?
Of course. Why would I care?
Then stop acting weird around me.
I told you I'm not acting weird.
You are. You are.
Fine. Fine. If you say so. I'm acting weird, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Just stop staring at me. No, D. You wouldn't want to do that.
Come get your book.
Give it to me.
If you want your book, come and take it now.
1, 2, 3. Ouch!
Sorry.
Give it to me.
No. No. Come, stop it. Catch me if you can.
Give it.
No. Do you want to climb the chair?
Stop.
Take your book.
Give it to me.
Take.
Oh.
No, I'm serious now. Take. Seriously, take.
Stop!
You want to give it to her? Don't spoil the game. Oh, I don't like the fact you're playing this game.
Oh my god.
Here you go. Okay, fine.
Stop! Eche, give me. Eche, stop! Eche! Stop! Okay, I don't want it.
You know what?
No.
Sorry. Just take it.
I knew it! I knew it! Stop it, Eche.
There is something I
Okay,
just wanna share
finally,
with you.
just take.
Promise.
Take it.
I don't just wanna exist. You're the reason for my existence. In you is where I find rest. Nobody can take your place. Nobody can take your place.
Book, please.
You're the
think
reason
it's-
for my
Yeah.
existence.
Fell down.
In you is where I find
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Nobody can take your
Actually, I'll be outside.
Yeah.
What's going on between you and that girl?
Who's Zina?
Who else?
Nothing is going on.
You don't expect me to believe that, do you?
Awoli, I'm tired. I would like to freshen up now.
Send her out of this house.
What?
You heard me.
Well, she doesn't have anywhere to go to.
How is that my business?
Awoli, I can't send her out. She's like a family to us now.
And what's the meaning of that nonsense?
Look, I'm tired. I would like to freshen up now.
Eche! Eche!
Look who the car dragged in.
What are you doing here, Awoli?
Get up.
What?
You heard me right. I said, get up! Now listen to me. This is my boyfriend's shop. And henceforth, I'll be coming here. So you will be staying at home.
Awoli, stop it!
Excuse me. Auntie Zina, what are you doing? Don't tell me you're getting up for this thing.
She is the madam of the shop. Her boyfriend's shop.
Zina, please don't go. Please.
And please don't. Make sure you pack your things and get out of the house before I return.
Hey, baby.
Don't touch me. What nonsense was that?
What are you talking about?
Oh, you think I'm some commodity that can be taken?
Listen.
Okay?
If you think I'm just gonna sit and fold my hands and watch another lady take you away from me, it's never gonna happen. Do you understand? Really? All of you should just go. Just go forever!
My goodness. Oops. Hi.
I came by the room earlier, but they said you were sleeping.
Yeah, I was.
I wanted to apologize for what Aule did.
Look, no. You don't need to apologize. It's fine.
No, it's not. I mean, she had absolutely no right to talk to you like that.
No, Eche. It's fine, really. And I think I shouldn't go to the shop anymore. Yeah. Maybe I can just stay home and help prepare what you will eat when you come back.
No,
right?
No, Zina. Please, we need you at the shop.
Eche, I really don't want to cause issues between you and your girlfriend. Okay?
Trust me, you're not the reason for all this. It's complicated and that.
Just let it be. It's my decision, okay?
Zina, please.
It's fine, Eche.
Zina, please. Please.
I just wanna share with you. I want to live. I don't just wanna exist.
And where are you coming from? So you're with her, right? Eche, you're going to ignore me now? So you're with that thing, right? Eche, I'm talking to you. Eche, really? So you're not going to say anything? Really? Really?
Is this what you came here to do? Sit down, press your phone, and make noise with your gum when there are things to do in this shop.
You don't expect me to do that dirty work you're doing, do you?
What did you call it?
You heard me.
Dirty work. The same dirty work gives my brother the money he gives you.
Listen, I don't have the time to exchange word with a child like you. It's beneath me.
I really don't know what my brother sees in you. I can't even see it.
What did you say?
You're not deaf.
Clean them.
What?
I said you should clean them.
I mean, I can't possibly clean them. I can't. You don't expect me to get my nails all.
Then leave this shop.
Excuse you?
It's either you clean them or you leave the shop. You can't come to the shop and sit here doing nothing.
And what is she laughing at? When you peek, and that's a period. Guys, I just got my hair done.
What is this? I asked you to clean these shoes. Now they're even worse.
I cleaned this shoe. I cleaned them.
Then what happened?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
I cleaned them properly. Took them outside to get dried. I don't know how it got all dirty again.
Then clean it again.
What?
I said clean it again. Just there doing nothing.
It was you, right? You applied mold on the shoes after I had them cleaned up.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Listen, darling. You are getting on my nerves. And if I retaliate, you're not going to like it.
Oh, come on, do your worst. I said do your worst.
Get off my face.
Oh, that's your worst.
Babe, I said I'm fine. Listen, babe, I'm going to get the money. You just need to calm down. Give me time. Do you want those people to catch me? Then give me time. I'll get the money and I'll come back to you.
Bro. Come. Your girlfriend is making a suspicious call. You need to come.
Just keep me until then, okay? Do you think I like staying in this quack house? All right, baby. I'll see you soon. I love you. Bye.
Who was that?
Babe, no one.
Stop lying to me. Who was that?
Oh, him. He means nothing to me, I promise.
So you come to my house and collect my money so that you can give it to him, right?
Babe.
Don't babe me. You know, I don't blame you. Awole, I blame myself. I mean, what was I even thinking? You cheated on me the first time, and I forgive you. Just because of the history we had, Awole. Now you're cheating on me again.
Babe, it's the devil. It's the devil. It's not me, it's the devil. Babe, see, forgive me this last time. I promise I will never hurt you again.
See, you don't have to promise me anything. Yeah? Because this relationship ended long time ago.
What?
There's this one thing that was holding us together. There's this thing called relationship that it wasn't love, Awole. So listen to me. Now you're free to do whatever you want to do. I will move on and I hope you do the same.
It's because of her, right? That girl, Zina. It's because of how you're breaking up with me, right?
How can you blame someone for what you obviously brought upon yourself?
What? Babe, we can fix this. Babe, listen, we can fix this. It's a minor issue now, we can fix this. I mean, you forgive me the first time. Why can't you forgive me now?
I need you to leave my house right this minute.
Oh no, babe.
Get out!
Babe.
Leave!
Babe, please now forgive me. What is this now? Who said? Babe, please. Babe.
Don't touch me. Get out!
Please.
Get out!
Babe.
Leave. You heard my brother.
Babe, where do you want me to go now? Where do you want me to go? Please let me go inside.
Leave. I said, don't try me.
Babe, your sister is the problem. She's the problem, babe.
Please leave this house. See, I've been keeping quiet because my brother has been allowing it. But you see, from now, I don't see you anywhere close to my brother.
You dey crazy.
Carry your bag.
You dey mad. Come out my room if I slap. It's not the worry for head.
You shouting at me? I said get out of this house. Get out of this house. You know, I've been keeping quiet since, but you think I don't have strength or sense. Get out. Leave this house immediately. What kind of nonsense is this? They tell me you dey crazy. You dey crazy. Nonsense. Let me see you anywhere close to my brother. You explain. Are you okay, bro?
I'm fine. I'm just disappointed.
Sorry.
It's not your fault, dear. I should have known better.
But I didn't even know she cheated on you before. Why did you take her back in?
I feel indebted to her.
Why? What did she do for you?
Yeah. the time Mom was on her sick bed, the doctor asked for 20,000 naira. And that time we had no money, so the only person that could help us was Aoli. So anytime I remember that, I'll just go easy on her and accept her back.
But bro, everything you've done for her is greater than that already. And I know she's been offending you intentionally because she knows you definitely forgive her. Maybe she knows you feel indebted to her. That woman is very manipulative. I hate her. But I'm very happy you finally ended things with her. I want you to know that she's not worth you. So please don't feel bad, okay?
Thank you.
Can I get a smile?
In you is where I find rest. Nobody can take your place. Nobody can take your place. You're the reason for my existence. In you is where I find rest.
Hazel.
Nobody can take your place.
Here. Dalo asked me to bring you water. I don't know, she said she's busy and she sent me instead. Here.
Thank you.
Are you okay? I mean, Dalu told me about Aondi and I just wanted to know if you are fine.
I'm fine. The truth is, Aole and I ended things long time ago.
Oh.
We just didn't want to admit it.
Wow. I'm glad you're fine.
Thank you.
Yeah. I would leave you to what you were doing.
Zina, can you please come back to the shop? Please? Thank you.
Bro, what are you doing here?
Water. D, I don't remember asking you to bring me water.
You don't? Well, you did. Maybe you've forgotten. You can't remember. You know you forget things in a hurry. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
And I also wonder why you're so busy with that you ask Zina to bring water for me.
Okay, let me explain. I'm a very busy person. You know that. You know, I'm doing things that makes me a busy person.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
D, I know what you're doing there.
What I'm doing? Oh my god, what am I doing? Look, I don't know what you're talking about, okay? I have no idea what you're talking about. Drink your water. Do you think you can be able to finish it? You can. I know you.
It depends
You
on
eat everything and still ask for more. Hello.
Auntie
Zina!
Yes!
Oh my god. I've missed you so much.
I've missed you too.
And guess what?
What?
Everybody has been asking about you. The customers, new people. I don't
Really?
Yeah.
I'm here now.
Thank you so much for coming back.
Mm-hmm.
Please sit. I have a lot.
Welcome back, Zina.
Thank you.
So brother's boring. I mean, teaching.
Sorry.
I'm just... Sorry. Sis, you need to stop coming to my room like this. You scared me.
Sorry. I just wanted to talk to you.
About what?
It's about you and Auntie Zina.
It was about us.
Don't you think it's high time you talk to her? I mean, you were holding it in before because of Auntie Angoli. I know. But now that she's out of the way, what is stopping you from asking her out?
Dear, I want to do that. But I don't know. Do you think she likes me?
Are you seriously asking me that question? Bro, isn't it obvious that she loves you as much as you do?
Are you sure?
Of course.
I guess I'll ask her then.
Tomorrow?
Fine.
Pinky swear. Thank you.
Now you can leave.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Take care of yourself.
You too.
And do what I've said.
Sina, it's hard for me to say. I have this feeling that has grown so deep inside of me. I love you, Zina.
I don't know, but I think I'm in love with you too. How did you find me?
Did you think I will never find you?
Zina, what is going on? Who is this man?
Chief Abrams, her father.
Wait, hold on. Is it the Chief Abrams that we all know, or I don't get? Zina, I thought you said your parents were dead.
Oh, obviously she lied to you. Just like she lied about her name. She is Maria Abrams, my only daughter. And she is married.
What?
Eche, no, Eche.
Maria, let's go home.
No! I don't want to go anywhere with you. This is my home now.
No, it's not.
Eche.
Zina, I think you should go with your father.
What?
Maria, let's go home. Or if I will have to drag you to the car, I will gladly do that.
I don't want to go with you. Eche, please.
Let's go home.
Just... Eche!
Heart to heart, word to word. There is something I just wanna share with you. I want to live, I don't just wanna exist. I wanna be free. You're the reason for my existence. In you is where I find rest. Nobody can take your place.
Is this car from our house?
Nobody can take your place. You're the reason for my existence.
Let me ask my brother.
In you is where I find rest. Nobody can take your place.
Bro, who owned those cars I saw outside leaving? And where is Auntie Zina?
You mean Maria? She has gone home.
Maria? Who's Maria? And Auntie Zina doesn't have anywhere to go. I told you, her parents passed and her uncles chased her out of the house.
She lied to us.
What?
Zina is Chief Abrams' daughter.
Wait. Chief Abrams, like the Chief Abrams we know? The billionaire one?
Her name is Maria Abrams, and she's married.
What? Wait, how could she lie to us like that? She's married? Oh, I hope you're okay.
I'm fine. Let's not talk about her anymore. I have lots of work at the shop. Let me just get my bag.
I'll follow you. Maria.
It was you. It was you, right? You told him where to find me, didn't you?
Madam, I was threatened. Oga threatened me. Oga threatened me. I never wanted to tell him anything. Please forgive me.
I trusted you, Chisom. I trusted you. But you just betrayed me. Why? Why?
I never wanted to say anything. I was not in control of myself, ma. Please forgive me.
God, Chisom, why? Why? Why did you tell?
Aria, you should get ready. Your husband people are coming in next tomorrow.
Dad, I don't want to marry that man. I don't even love him.
Love? What do you know about love?
Oh, everything you don't, Dad. Yes. Just how? How can you marry your only daughter to a man old enough to be her grandfather? How, Dad?
Maria, our business is suffering. God. We need this partnership with him. And the only way we can achieve that is when we become one family with him. I have told you this many times, but you just can't understand.
And what about me? Don't I matter?
Listen, just get ready. That is just what I have come to tell you.
Don't I even matter? Dad! Dad! Dad!
I find treasure in the middle of the ocean. I can't tell you like my pill and my portion.
Come in.
Nobody can take your place. Nobody can take your place. Take your
You.
flowers. You did it all.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, please, can I sit?
You can sit.
Sir, we have not been properly introduced. I am Zina's personal maid. I know you know her as Zina, but her real name is Maria.
Wait, hold on. So the money is from Zina.
Sir, I'm sorry we lied to you, but yes, that money was from her. Her father is trying to force her to marry a man that she does not love, and that was why she ran away from the house. Her father seized all her gadgets, not knowing to him that she had a spare phone. When my madam left the house, he froze all her accounts, so that whenever she's frustrated, she will be left with no choice than to return home. But days went by. We didn't see our madam. We didn't see her. We were all worried. I was worried. One day, when I was about leaving for the market, I saw her hiding beside our gate. She begged me to lend you that money that I gave to you. She told me what to say when I come to you. She gave me your address. When her father was tired of waiting for her to return, her father started threatening me. He threatened to hurt me and my family. That if I didn't give him any clue concerning his daughter, he's going to hurt me. I don't wanted to tell him anything. He kept threatening me. I was left with no choice. I just had to tell him. I gave him your address. And that was how we found her. And now, he has locked her in her room. Only her there. He wouldn't allow anyone to see her. Tomorrow, he's going to marry her off to that man that she does not love. I don't want that to happen. Sir, this is all my fault. Sir, right now, I know that if he found out that I'm telling you all of this, I might lose my job, but I don't care. I don't care right now. All I want is for my mother to be happy. Please, I don't want her to marry that man. Please, I don't want her to be unhappy for the rest of her life. That man has been very good to me. She has helped my family, sir. Please help me. Help me, sir. I need your help. Sir, please help me.
It's fine. Just
please, sir.
It's fine.
Please, sir. Please help me, sir.
Yeah, gentlemen, I was told you want to see me.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for agreeing to see me, sir.
Well, you took care of my daughter for a while. That means a lot to me. But I am a very, very busy man. So I will ask that you go straight to the point.
Okay, sir. Sir, I'm here because of Maria.
Okay.
I had everything, so I decided to see you and talk to you. But sir, I don't think it's right to force your daughter into getting married to someone that she doesn't want to. Against her will. But sir, it makes no sense to me.
Gentlemen, get out of my estate.
Sir, please.
I said get out of my estate.
Let's just talk. It's because
I have a very loud noise from Madam's quarters. I don't know if she's okay.
What is it?
I don't know if Madam is okay. I don't know. I don't.
Zina! Maria! Zina! Maria! Get out! Zina.
Ichi. I'm so sorry I lied to you. I'm really sorry.
You can't sit for now. It's just... I don't...
You know, all my life, I have just been my father's shadow. Everything I did,
I did how he wanted it to be done. But I really wanted to become my own person. I really wanted something different. I just didn't want to be affiliated with my father's name or anything. I don't know. Does that make sense?
Of course it does. Makes lots of sense.
And young man, please can I have some minute with my daughter?
Yes, sir. Of course.
So you will rather kill yourself than marry Chief Olamide? Well, I have called him and cancelled the engagement. Yeah. Well, the company is going to suffer a lot of losses, but I think I can bear that. What I cannot bear is losing my only daughter. So, I'm so sorry for forcing you into marriage because of my selfish reasons.
It's okay, Daddy.
Yeah. Wait, that young man that was here, do you love him?
Yes, Dad.
Well, he seems like a very good one.
He is.
So, tell me, how was it living with him?
Daddy. It was good.
Really?
Mm-hmm. I learned a lot of things.
Really?
Yes. I learned how to cook. And I can even make shoes, Dad. I can do a lot of things.
Wow. My daughter. Well, it's okay. So forgive me, my dear.
Bro,
What is it?
I really miss Auntie Zina.
And Auntie Zina misses you too.
Auntie Zina! Oh my god!
Oh my god.
I missed you too. My brother told me you had a wound. I hope you're okay now.
Yeah. I'm fine now. How have you been?
I've not been good. Oh, I missed you.
Hey.
Hey.
How about your father? Does he?
Well, my father actually dropped me here. Yeah. And he called off my engagement to Chief Olamide.
See, why don't you be my girlfriend? This is the perfect time.
I know. I've been waiting for this moment. Oh, what is she staring at?
It's because we're still waiting for the answer.
Yes.
In you is where I find rest. Nobody can take your place.
Thank you so much.
Nobody can take your place.
Thank you so much.
Nobody can take.
I promise this will work.
I know it will.
Heart to heart,
I'm so happy.
word to word. There is something I just wanna share with you. I want to live, I don't just wanna exist. I wanna be free. You're the reason for my existence. In you is where I find rest. Nobody can take your place. Nobody can take your place. You're the reason for my existence. In you is where I find rest. Nobody can take your place. Nobody can take your place. You are the